Hi everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to recover deleted post on Facebook. If you delete your post on Facebook, you can recover it. For doing, I'm using Facebook Lite app. You can see this is my Facebook Lite app. Then just log in here. So I'm going to log in here. Whenever you come here, then you can find here such kind of interface in your Facebook home page. Then at the top of the right side you can find here three dot line. So just click on three dot line and you can see here your Facebook profile. You can see this is my Facebook profile. So right now I am going to delete a post. For deleting a post, just click on three dot line. You can find here move to trash. So I'm going to click on here move to trash, and you can see that is item is your trash will be automatically deleted after 30 days, or you can delete them earlier from your trash. Okay, then just I'm going to move it on trash. So right now I will recover the post. You can see there is no post is here. So I'm going to recover it. For recovering, just click on three dot line. You can find here that is three dot line. Okay, then you can see here that is activity log. So guys, before going to the process, I'm gonna ask you something. If you are new here in my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for getting new videos. Next you can find here trash option. So just click on trash and you can see here three posts I already deleted. So I'm gonna recover it right now. First of all, I'm gonna select it. Right now it has been selected. Next, you can at the bottom of the side you can find here that is arrow button. Then click on it. Next you can find here restore to profile. Item you restore your profile can be seen by the audience that was selected before they were moved to trash. So I'm going to click on yes. Right now you can see here restore item to profile. So I'm going to come on profile and reload it. Then you can see here again this post I deleted and I get it back, or I restore it.